Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Althea's world, where it's not just my world, but it's your world. And for the most part, it's God's world, so stay blessed and don't be stressed. So good morning guys, today is October 4th. It is October 4th and it is a special day. Today is my sister's birthday. Today she is 1 year older, 1 year wiser, 1 more year blessed. So I want you guys to comment in the comment section.
Mommy.
Yes, Papa.
Nana.
Yeah, I'll give you Nana.
Mommy.
Okay, give me a second. I want you to comment in the comment section. Happy birthday, Drea. Her name is spelled D-R-E-A.
Mommy.
For short. So comment happy birthday, Drea, so you can show her some love. She's out of the country right now. She will send me all of her links soon, so you'll see all the fun that she had in the location where she is at. I'll tell you guys when she says be all of her friends, okay? But today is October 4th, and yesterday I didn't do much. However, give me a second. Let me open up this banana so he don't kill me. Yes, here's the banana. Here.
Yeah.
Here.
Peace.
Here.
Peace.
Thank you.
You're
You're welcome. Yes, guys. So I'm heading on the road. I just have like 2 stops. I'm gonna go to Walmart. I gotta get some I have to get a face moisturizer, I think, and then I have to get something for my toothbrush, and I gotta get milk for Gabriel. Yeah, so that's where I'm going. I got milk from last time, but I need more, so I'm gonna get some more. Yes, honey, I gotta get more. So if you're new here, like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you're not, I appreciate you watching the videos. Like always. Today is Vlogtober 4. Yesterday I was trying to say, Gabriel, he peed in the potty. My baby just peed in the potty. Yay! Yay, baby, yay! I'm not gonna show you because he ain't gonna fit on, but yay! You peed in the potty, baby! Yay! Yeah! Dad, you peed in the potty? I'm gonna show you where to put it. You're gonna put it in the toilet, okay? Come put it in the toilet. Go ahead. Pour it in the toilet. Thank you, baby. Yay, you did it. Flush the toilet now. Good job. Yeah, he peed in the potty. So the mayor was cleaning his bathroom yesterday. I let him start cleaning his bathroom, just to get him to understand that, you know, responsibilities, his chores as a boy, although he's 9. I'm just preparing him so that when he gets 12 and 14, like when I was a child, I knew I had to wake up every morning on Saturday or whenever the bathroom was dirty, and I cleaned it and I kept it up. And I do that till this day. Like, I clean the bathroom, and I just know that's my chore because I've done it since I was a child. So I'm getting him into that routine of having chores and just being responsible. You know that you gotta keep your stuff clean. So I'll let him do it. I'll show him what to do, and then I'll go over it, obviously, and I'll wash, and I'll just I'll show him, like, hey, this is what you do, this is how you do this, how you do that. And yeah, he did that, and then, you know, he's off of school. The mayor's off of school. It's winter break, fall break. So he's off for the whole week. So he went to his uncle's house because he's like, Mommy, can I go to uncle's house? And I'm like, sure. So it's just me and Gabriel, I think, for the next 2 days or so. And then we might switch him over, and I'll bring him over to his Nana's house, which is my mom's house, for another 2 days, and just give him the chance to get out the house and, you know, have some fun. He's in the house Monday through Friday going to school, so I let the boy go out and have fun, because I'm not doing much this week. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not doing much this week. I have a couple things that I have to get done. I woke up in a much better spirits this morning. Sometimes, guys, I ain't gonna lie, I have to reflect on a lot of things in life, and sometimes you wake up or you anticipate things to happen the way you want them to happen, but God has a different plan. And I'm learning how to deal with that. I've always been a person to be patient. But I've always been a person to grind and to just get stuff done. Like, if anybody knows me,
Mommy.
they know Althea don't stop work till it's done. And I don't let nothing get in my way till it's done. And sometimes things get in my way, have gotten in my way lately, that I cannot make a move. And it's frustrating me. But I trust God. I trust God, and I know that in life you can't always have the same journey, and you have to allow yourself to go on a different journey, because it might be the journey of God. So I literally told myself, and I've been telling myself, Althea, keep changing hands because my hands hurt. Althea, you have to trust your journey. Because years ago, my journey was just like boom, 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 do this, do that, do this, do that, you know. And now I'm like in a different environment, you know, different space, mindset, and I have to appreciate all these new things. Because a lot of them are positive. Most of them are positive. They're hard to deal with. But they're positive. So with that being said, I'm thankful for that, because my mom always says, and I always say, my dad always say, my sister always says, God don't give you more than you can bear. And that is a God honest truth. And that's just what it is. So I'm in a mind space, or I'm in a point in my life where I'm being patient. Because I feel like I have definitely put in my work, and I put in my work daily. So I just have to keep my faith up high, like always, and embrace the change that is probably going to come in my life, and just stay positive like I always am. Stay positive. Stay positive, guys, because if you're not positive, listen, I always listen to like podcasts and inspirational podcasts and motivational speakers, and it's like, I have a garden, and it always goes back to the garden. People say, the guy was saying, in a garden, you plant a seed, and you anticipate for that seed to grow. But upon your journey of growing, like I was growing in my garden, there's always going to be pests, there's always going to be weeds, but you anticipate for it to grow. So you hope that it will grow, and you have faith that it will grow. And that is life. If you do not put a seed down, a little seed, and hope and pray that everything you do in your power, it will happen at that moment, in a seed moment, that is what allows you to keep your faith up. You put that seed in the soil, and you say, God, it has to grow. As much as you go out there every day and you tell yourself the seed has to grow, you have to put in the work. Hello? You got to be patient. You got to pray. It's like what I say pray. That goes with faith and hope. Be patient. Persevere. You got to go out there and do the work, and you will surely progress You might not see the roots growing.
Yeah.
That's where the faith comes in. You don't see anything happening, but God is in control because the work is already being done. You already put down the seed. You already watered it. You gave it sunlight. You gave it everything it needed. Now you have to just keep the faith. And then once you see that little stem come out the ground, you jumping up and down. Yeah! You're rejoicing. You're celebrating. But don't give up. Don't give up at the stem. Because that seedling has to grow into an adult. And life doesn't just happen. It doesn't just end at the seedling. It keeps going because you're going to keep planting seeds, guys. You're going to keep planting seeds. And you're going to keep opening up that faith and the hope, the patience, the perseverance. It's an ongoing pattern of life. And I try my best. I'm not a perfect religious person. I'm not perfect. Trust me. I am not perfect, okay? But I do go off of those principles of life that you have to plant your seed. They say faith is as small as a mustard seed, and it's so true. I've planted seeds that is small. And it has grown. And I'm into something, I'm like, wow. And then I've had seeds that has failed. And I said, okay, that's fine. It wasn't for me. So in this life of what I'm doing, continuously planting seeds, I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop, because why? As much as a seed is rooting, it's rooting. Hundreds of roots, thousands of roots. One of those plants, I'm a seed. A stem come up. I'm a seed. The seedling is gonna form. But it's up to me to keep the faith and keep going every day for me to see. If I quit today and I stop watering, what's gonna happen tomorrow? It's gonna die. Why? Because you stop watering it. You stop giving it sunlight. You stop giving it food. You stop coming out and taking a look at it. It's been abandoned, so it's not gonna grow. You gotta be patient. You gotta persevere, and you have to pray to see progress, to see results. So yeah, guys, I didn't even come out here to talk. Yeah. But I'm gonna go to where I have to go to. I just had to say that because I woke up and I said, Althea, you gotta wake up, you gotta keep going, you gotta keep working, you gotta keep doing what you're doing, because something gonna come through. I know it is. Like, I know it. So, yeah, that's just how life goes. So me and Gabe, you see Gabriel? That's like, Gabriel he's a tough cookie. But we the same. So because we're the same, I can appreciate him. Because as much as he be like, bang, 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 I bang right back, boo. But yeah, we're going to get into some stuff. Yeah, Papa. We're at Walmart. Me and Gabriel, he insists on bringing us beer out the house. So we headed into Walmart. I just got to get a couple things. It's nice today. It's about, what's it, like 77 degrees or so.
Oh, bear.
Watch it. Watch the bear. So, that's a car. There you go. That's a car. Yeah, so you get Gabriel. Gabriel's talking so much now lately. Literally. He's talking so much. I try to read to Gabriel as much as I can and just show him things. Because that's the only way I feel like you learn life you know, life skills. Go do that. Go pick up that. Go pick up that. Don't go drop that off. Can you get that for me? That dialogue, I'm telling you. I got kids. Talk to them. They will definitely understand. That's what gets the brain moving. And they start thinking, what am I supposed to do? Huh? What did mommy say? That's Gabriel. The other day, my keys. I said, yes, baby. You want grapes?
Yeah.
Okay. The other day, we went to, where did we go? No, I was going out somewhere. And I could not find my keys. You want these? No, you want these? Do you want them or you want the red ones? The red ones? All right. He wants the red grapes. So yeah, I was trying to find my keys. Give me a second. You said you wanted the red grapes, not the green grapes. So I said, Gabriel, where's mommy's keys? And he said, huh? It's okay. I said, where's mommy's keys? He's like, mommy, kiss. And you know that little boy went underneath the table, picked up the keys and said, kiss. You want these?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta give me a second. You hear in my car? He wants grapes. You're not gonna eat them right now. You gotta wait. Wait. So, yeah, Gabriel, the both of them, they be knowing. They be knowing more than me sometimes. Let me get these this stuff. I'll probably get some strawberries. How much do strawberries cost? $2.99. Say hi. You want to talk to them? Say hi.
Hey.
Say hi. What's your name?
Gabriel.
Yay! What's your name?
Gabriel.
Gabriel. Yes. Who am I?
Us.
No, who am I? I'm your what?
Mommy.
No, I'm who? Who am I? Who is mommy? You're showing them. Okay. Who am I? Papa, pay attention. Who am I?
No.
Who is that? What's my name? Can you say Althea?
Gabriel.
What you say? Can you say Althea?
Gabriel.
What's daddy's name?
Man.
His name is Man. Man? His name is what? Well, who's your brother? Who's your brother's name?
Hey, God.
So we talking. You got it. Tico?
Go.
Uncle?
Yeah. Mama.
Who's mama? Point to mama.
Mama.
Point to mama.
Mama.
Yeah. Who's Gabriel? Point to Gabriel. You?
Yeah.
So I think I found the I just need a moisturizer for my skin. So I think I'm gonna try this one. I usually go to TJ Maxx and stuff to get my face moisturizer, but I'm gonna just get this one. Daily moisturizer.
Mommy.
Face and body has vitamin C and collagen. So those are the things that I try to get because you know we're getting older. There's under eye stuff. You cannot have it. No, you cannot have that either. I gave you the milk to hold on to for a reason. You can hold on to the milk, you can hold on to the yogurt, you can hold on to your beer. You have a lot of things to hold. A whole lot. Yeah, so I try to get collagen and vitamin C because that's good for, like, you know, stay younger. So vitamin C is good for brightness and hydration. And hyaluronic acid I need because that helps with keeping your skin looking youthful. And they have plant peptides. So
Mommy.
I'm gonna try that. It has no paraben, not animal tested. It's pretty much good product. I've been looking at it for a while. Gabriel, give me a second. So I'm probably gonna just use this as a moisturizer. Yeah, and it's by Nature. It's from New Zealand. Yeah, 98% natural. So we are out of Walmart. So we didn't get much fresh fruit and vegetables because there wasn't that much fresh. The variety wasn't that great. So I'm gonna go to Publix because most of the times when I go to Publix, it's right down the street from my house. Their produce is pretty fresh. If I'm not able to go to the produce market. So I got the milk for Gabriel. I got him some juice. And what else I get you, buddy? I got you some juice, Baba, some little yogurt and stuff for him. So I'm heading to Publix. Okay guys, so I'm home. Home from the store. Open these blinds. Get some lighting. So I'm thinking I want to make some broccoli cheddar soup. Yeah. Not today. Today I think I'm making some pork chops, nothing too fancy. Dang, I forgot to buy brown in. That was not, I had to go food shopping for the month. I didn't even go food shopping for the month. That food shopping that I went was only for like milk and vegetables. It wasn't anything crazy. So my food shopping is not till, what's today? My food shopping is not until next week. Mommy. Yeah. Mommy. Yes, honey. Mommy. So my son, I love him. I love him dearly. He broke my stand. Yeah. You hear how he's laughing like it's a joke? You hear how I'm laughing like it's a joke? You hear it? He's laughing like it's a joke. He broke it. Because I had crazy glued it last night. And he broke it. Last night, like literally, we was fine. We was fine. Okay? Everything was fine. I crazy glued it back onto the stand. It was okay. I was like, all right, no problem. The nighttime came. He came to me. And he showed me this. And the great Gabriel's smart, you know? And I was like, what? I said, Gabriel, why? Why? But it's okay. I just have to get another ring light. But yeah. I'm just gonna get a whole new one. So that's what I'm gonna do. Gabriel, he's not easy. But I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what I got. I just got milk for Gabriel. I think I got like 3 gallons of milk, lactate milk. Yes. Gabriel's not lactose free. He has had milk in his time. However, because everybody else, like Alex is lactose free, I try to stay away from certain stuff. So we just drink that type of milk. I've had organic raw milk before. It's great, but it's fairly expensive. And I just can't afford it right now. It's like $7-8 a gallon. So yeah, I just buy that type of milk, lactate milk that doesn't really have much lactose in it. And that's it. If I find any other milk that I come across, usually I drink almond milk, But the mirror was like, Mom, I don't be like almond milk. I usually make it myself. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably gonna start making it again, because sometimes a small amount of almonds that you buy, it can make a good amount of almond milk, and then I could just flavor it with whatever I want. I can even flavor it with peanut butter or whatever I want to flavor it with for them. So that's something I'll do later on down the road. But for now, I need milk for Gabriel on demand, so I get him that. So I'll just start out with the vegetables. I got some bananas, organic bananas. I got some carrot. This is for my broccoli and cheese soup. I got Brussels sprouts. I got grapes. I got kale. 2 of these, 1 and 2. I got some of these onions. Gabriel, can I have it, please? Let me wash it for you. Let me wash it. You don't want me to wash them. Let me wash it. Just give me a second, okay?
Mommy.
Yes, I'm gonna wash it for you. I got some zucchini from Publix. I got 3.
Mom.
Give me a second. Broccoli.
Bucky.
Broccoli.
Bucky.
I got 3 gallons
Mama.
of milk.
Mommy.
Yes, Gabriel. I'm coming. I am coming. I gotta soak these. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna have to soak them. Yeah, I'm gonna soak them. Yeah, I can soak them. I can't just give them to you like that. You gotta wait a sec. You have to wait. Mommy gotta soak them before you eat them. You gotta wait, okay? Can you be patient?
No.
No? Okay, you gotta give me a sec. So whenever I rinse, I have some dishes in my sink, whatever. So whenever I rinse them off, my grapes, it looks cloudy right now. Obviously I can't see. Let me see if I can put. See how it looks cloudy? Yeah. So.
Mommy.
Pretty much what I do is I just rinse it off.
Mommy.
Yes, honey. I rinse it off real quick. Rinse it off. Then I fill up with water again, and I put vinegar and a little bit of baking soda and let it soak. And then I move it around vigorously every couple of minutes to just clean off the grapes. So I'm gonna wash that off again, rinse it off. And then Gabriel, wait now. I'm rinsing it off again, guys. I'm sorry. I just take some hot water. Fill it up. Gabriel, give me a second. Fill it up. Fill it up. Y'all see that? Yeah, fill it up. Now put a little bit of vinegar. A little bit, not a lot. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's it. And then I put a little bit of baking soda in there. I'll get the baking soda in a second. A teaspoon of baking soda. Teaspoon, and then I just sprinkle it in, and you see it just, I don't know if you see it, if you hear that, and I just move it around, and then I let it soak in there in the hot water for about 5 minutes, and that's all I do before I Especially grapes. Especially grapes. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. It's warm.
Yeah.
Yeah. See how shiny they look? See how them shine? See how them shine? Yeah.
Mine.
Around.
Mine. Mine.
Yeah. Oops.
Mine. It is. Mommy.
Yes, honey.
It is. It is. It is. This.
Yeah?
It is.
It's so funny. You can see them.
Mommy.
Yes, honey. I'm coming out. I'm gonna give it to you. Now you can eat them, baby. Now you can have them.
Yeah.
Get them, Mom. Here. Now you can eat them. See? Good, right? Oh, so the name of the wine is called 19 Crimes Cali Red. It does taste good. If I have like a beef or a steak, but it's not like a. I wouldn't say it's between. It's a sweet but a dry. It tastes good. I can say that. It tastes good, but it's not your average. Obviously, it's not your Moscato. So the dry level from 1 to 5 is about a 3. The alcohol is 14%. That's what it says. The composition is red wine. Origin is from California. I like it. I will buy it again. I'm not a big dry wine person, but I like the blend of both. So it's all about what you like. I could never just have a complete, like for instance, Merlot. I can't do Merlot. That completely dry white wine, I can't do. But this I can, because it's a little bit of both. That's just me. Everybody's palate is different. That's just me. So I'm gonna wash up these dishes. Yes, honey. Yes, baby. Oh, you want more? You ain't gonna take all my grapes. No, yo, you better not. Here. go through my fridge. It's not perfect, but hey, it's a fridge. So I go through it every once in a while. Maybe like twice a month. Yeah, just to see.
Mommy!
Gabriel, leave it alone.
Go on.
Wait, no, wait.
Mama.
See what I have, because sometimes you be in here, see I'm having so much gravy, because Alex loves gravy. So every time I make gravy, and if one day I don't decide I don't feel like making gravy, I know that I already made it from like a couple days ago. So yeah, my gravy. So this is anchar. This I believe I can still hold on to. It's like a chutney, mango chutney. It's Trinidadian and I love it. Put it on your food. So good. I'm gonna throw them away. These gravies. And this is a caramel from what I made. The caramel. Can you say caramel? Caramel. Yeah, so this is chicken that we're probably gonna have for lunch. No. Barbecue chicken. This is for Gabriel. Gabriel, this is for you.
Yeah.
You have that for lunch. Lunch. Yes. So I'm empty stuff. Because you'd be surprised. Sometimes I'm guilty of it. I'll be cooking. And then, oh, I have to drop in there. I never use it. And I put it back in the fridge.
Oh.
And it don't get used. So I come in here behind myself. And I'm like, what was I doing? It happens, guys. It happens. And this is how you know what you have in your fridge when you're also gonna go shopping. Yeah. So I'm gonna clean this out. I'm gonna get my little rag.
Hey.
So I have some rags that say PEED for bathroom, and I have some regular rags. So this is my rag for the kitchen if it doesn't have a bee on it.
Mommy.
And what I do is, yes honey. Yeah, give me a second. I fill up the sink with warm to hot water. The sink that's obviously don't have nothing in it, because I have some stuff in here in there. So I roll it up. I put the rag in there. Can you stop?
No.
You're gonna stop. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cook stuff.
Yeah.
Turn it off. I got my castile soap.
Mommy.
Hey! No. Have my castile soap. Show you guys castile soap or whatever castile soap you could get, but I like this one better because the strength of it is high. So I don't use a lot, just a little bit, maybe like 2 tablespoons. And then I put a little bit of baking soda, just a little bit. See, I tell you guys, baking soda, castile soap, vinegar. Those are my go-to. That's why I buy so much of it. Because it's a one-stop shop. So I basically soak up the water. I can show you guys. Can you see that? I just soak in my water. Like if you were to wash dishes, I know some people, they'll soak up their water on one side, wash dishes over here, and it smells so good. It smells like mint. And I just use it to clean out the fridge. That's all I do. I'm cleaning, right? Look where my son done dragged this. Oh, see my life? You see my life? He's pushing it to his room. You see the life? You make like a buggy.
Buggy.
You make a buggy for yourself?
Yeah.
Well, can I have the buggy? Thank you. Oh, Gabriel? On the camera. Plan your cleaning accordingly, sometimes it saves you time. So it's not just like, okay, I have to clean. Do it in increments so that you don't feel overwhelmed. So that when you do go get those vegetables, even if it's like a week from today, 2 weeks from today, if something doesn't fall in here, it's clean. All you have to do is add your items. And trust me, sometimes things fall in here. It's different. Call me lazy. I mean, if it's an excessive spill, 24 hours, of course, your wipe it out. But if it's just like a small something, I ain't killing myself for that, honey. Not me, honey. No, honey. Or you can get little liners or containers to put it in. Listen, whatever make you happy, make me happy. That's it. Whatever makes you happy. Just wipe this stuff off. I might use one tonight for dinner. I'll put these two here. One, two. And then my zucchini, I'm gonna take them out the bag. I feel like we take stuff out the bag and I wash them off. It just feels better to me. Sometimes. I mean, not all the time I do it. Sometimes. And all the time I do it. Especially these things. I realize when I leave it in there, it goes bad faster than when I take it out and give it some air. I finished the fridge.
Mommy!
It's clean. The freezer, which is on the bottom, is small. I'll do it. I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow because I do have to cook. And it's after 2. Yes, dear boy. Okay, can you put that back in the garage, please? Got a whole wet back in the kitchen. I can't put it. Can you put it back in the garage, please? Can you put it back in the garage, please?
No.
Yes. Yes.
We don't.
Can you? I thank you for the gloves, but I need you to put that back in the garage.
No.
Anyway, so I broke down all these little areas. They're clean. Y'all can see it. It's clean. I ain't sure change y'all. It's clean. I had to take it out because my phone, actually my battery died, so it's clean. All these little areas is clean. So I'm going to clean the top part of it, and I'm gonna cook dinner. All right, so it's late, but I was able to season up my meat. So I got some pork butts. Bone out is when I bought it. It had no bone in it, so you cut the bone out and you skin it. They actually call it a pork cushion, but I know pork butt. I got it at a Spanish spot. Yeah, so I cut it up in small cube pieces. I'll show you. Yeah, I cut up in small cube pieces, and then I seasoned it with onion, garlic, sea salt, coarse sea salt, thyme, Montreal seasoning. Not too crazy. That's it. So I had it marinated for a little bit. I'm going to curry it. I haven't had curry in a while. So that's enough, yeah. I'm gonna curry it and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. I know that's a weird way. I've never done either. It's always good to try. So I'm gonna curry it because I made brown stew the other day. I had barbecue the other day. I had oxtail the other day. I haven't had curry in a while. So I'm gonna curry it on the stove in my Dutch pot first. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven. So the way that I cook my curry is that I burn it with the meat first, and then I'm gonna add water and the onions and everything. So I burn it with the meat. See, it's not much, it's just like oil. Yeah. For the oven to get up to temperature. When it gets to 350, then I'm gonna put it in the oven. end of the video. I made some broccoli. I made the curry pork that came out good. I was gonna make dumpling, but Alex said he's okay with rice for today. I'll probably make dumpling tomorrow. So Gabriel is eating his dinner. So if you got this far in the video, thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, guys. Until next time, don't forget to pray, be patient, persevere, and you surely progress. All right? Until next time, bye.
Bye.